This video is about Excel tips and tricks. Trick number 1. Same formatting applied to many other cells, just only one click. Formatting means change the look of text, means changing color, fill color, size, bold, italic, underline. Right. Let's see. First of all, type text, Excel. Select this text, change size, then bold, italic, underline, and change color, fill color. So this is formatting. If you want to apply this formatting to other cells, then how to do this? By using Format Painter option. Right? Let's see. First of all, type this text. Now, click on this cell. This formatting you want to apply these cells. Then click on this cell. Then click on Format Painter option. Now, apply this formatting to this cell. Again, click on Format Painter option. Now, apply this formatting to this cell. Right? So, in this way, we can apply same formatting to other cells only by using Format Painter option. Right? Now, trick number 2. Line break in Excel. Line break means type text in next line. Right? If you type text in Excel, then by default text will move in a single line. Means same line. Right? Let's see. I'm typing Excel is used for doing calculation. Now press enter. When you will press enter, then cursor will move in next cell, not next line. So if you want to type text only in this cell, then how to do this? By using wrap text option. Right? Now click on wrap text. Now see. Now you can type text. It is the part of MS Office. Now see. Cursor is moving in next line, not next cell. Right? So in this way, by using wrap text option, text will move in next line, not next cell. Right? Trick number 3. Text to columns. See this list. Full name, first name and last name is given. And you want to divide this one column into 2 columns. Means you want to break them. Then how to do this? By using text to column option. Right? Let's see. First of all, select this text. Go to Data tab. Click on Text to Column option. Dialog box will appear. Click on Next button. Then click on Space. Then again click on Next. Now your data is text type. This is text type. Now click on text. Now click on finish button. See, column is divided into 2 columns, right? Thanks for watching this video.